In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Versa 2015. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Bluetooth on your Nissan Versa 2015. So what you have to do is use the settings option, so go into the apps and access the settings. If your particular car model looks different than this menu, then sadly, I won't be able to cover specifics on where to find the Bluetooth settings. In general, you just follow the same instructions and you will be able to do it on your own, but like I said, if it is visually different, then you might have to go into an alternative menu altogether. For this particular model, if you have a dashboard like this, as I've said before, press apps, go into the settings, and now you will find phone and Bluetooth. This is where you will be able to manage the Bluetooth connectivity. So first, the main option is going to be connect new device. This is where you can set up a phone if you have never connected it before to your Nissan car. You will also have other options to see the current connected devices, replace, and so on, but I'm going to be focusing on this one, which allows you to add a new device. So choose connect new device, and it's going to give you a pin. Now, if you look under your phone, you should see your car appear over here. The name might differ, it might be a sequence of numbers, a sequence of letters, it might say my car. Regardless of the name, it is going to be available under other devices, so make sure that under the settings and Bluetooth, it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, choose the car from here and confirm the pin. So the same pin should be displayed between your phone's screen as a confirmation prompt and the dashboard on your car. If everything matches, choose yes, and the phone will have been connected. So now you can go over to Bluetooth audio by repeatedly tapping the aux button and use all of the Bluetooth features, primarily audio of course. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth to Nissan Versa 2015. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.